So guys, we are back out again. Just catch the boys on a hop. Mario from Rombom. Miles, the namesake of Miles 123 RC. What have we got today, guys?
XRT, the new Hulk Xmaxx, and the
nice Wide-Maxx. Gonna break this again, Miles?
Probably.
Probably. Okay. Nothing is gonna get home without being broken, I reckon, guys. Like Mario's phone, for example. Oh, here we go, Miles by with the arrma door gone. Right guys, first with the new Xmaxx Wide-Maxx. That's two. Tumble Wumble! Down that base to the next little bit, some big drop. Next thing then, I'm probably going to be miles away. Oh, to the guy. So we're just going to go up to here. And Miles is going to give some massive drop off. So 20 miles. Absolutely. Miles just about to launch the Gorgon. Loves it, loves it. Go on, Matt, let's show us how some with the XRT. Someone's going to get hurt. Like gentle landing. Done some good jumps. Xmaxx has survived. Mario's a little bit of wing damage on the XRT. How's yours got on, Miles? Oh! Yeah. Oh wow. We're back to the banana body.
Yeah.
Well, we need to work out a fix for that.
It's broken. It's in the stock.
Hiding. It's not a bad effort. That's the one weakness of these, is that body. So what we need to do is get Uncle James from What Corp Designs. If you want any 3D printing or anything, guys, give James a shout. We'll get him to see if he can 3D print like a brace across the middle or something. 2S standard brushed car, that guys. Awesome little thing. If you've ever wondered, guys, what true confusion looks like, this is it, live, real-time confusion.
I don't think I was coming back.
Miles is going to send it. I'm all Kev say, I'll pay for the damage. Like a little rental car. Sun's in a really bad position though. Thought they were complaining it's stunning.
Minutes later.
Turned out you've killed it. So we just got back from the dunes. What an epic bashing session. To be honest, I hadn't realised how much fun an Xmaxx actually was. I haven't used them for so long. As you've seen in the previous video, we'll put a link in the description below. We've done the diffs on this one, so it's not quite fixed, but a couple more shims, I'm sure that'll be back running. The interesting thing I found though was the fact that this one, our new one that's now not new, we put the Wide-Maxx kit on it. It makes a massive difference. It's only, looking at it here, about a tyre's width wider than the normal one, but what a difference. This one hardly rolled over, so much more stable. Not admittedly as stable as the XRT that Mario from Lombom had. We'll put a link to his video below as well. But what a difference. Really never thought I've had loads of Xmaxes in the past, but never actually widened them. But 100% recommend you do that, guys. This one is box stock other than the Wide-Maxx kit on it. It's got the lights we put on here, but just had to be done. I love lights on stuff. So we're going to keep it completely standard for now, and then when bits start failing, then we start upgrading like the speedo and the motor and things like that. But there's no need to change anything in it yet. Absolutely brilliant truck. So we're going to get all the sand off it, get it cleaned. We've got an awful lot of sand to clean out of Miles's Gorgon here, and I think it's time we had a new body. It's taken a beating, but the body really lets these trucks down. The mechanics of it, the chassis is brilliant, but they really needed to put something inside, like an Xmaxx style frame. I know it's built to a budget, but something needs sorting with that. I don't know if there's any aftermarket companies, if anyone wants to leave a comment if you've got some roll cages or something. Would love to get something like that. So we're going to get that sorted, get that cleaned out, get the Xmaxx cleaned out. We'll redo the diff on this one probably, but I've actually got this one for sale on Marketplace if you have a look, guys. 400 quid. That can go to a new home. It's got the indestructible body on it. So we're going to make some room for some new toys. So hopefully you'll like, share and subscribe, guys. We're striving to get to 1,000 subscribers. We're on about 730, 31, something like that. So really would appreciate a subscribe. Help us out the best you can. Doesn't cost anything, and we love having a new notification pop up. But we're going to get these cleaned off. The battery's already on charge, and we're going to hit some ramps tomorrow. So keep an eye out for that video. Cheers, guys.